Hey, so if your images are not showing in Webflow, or maybe they're just blank, broken, or missing, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. All right, first, make sure your image is actually selected properly. Sometimes the image element is there, but no file is attached. So if the image is missing or broken, just try re-uploading it. Go to the Assets panel, upload the image again, and reassign it. Sometimes files get corrupted or removed, so this quick step fixes it instantly. Next, check if the image is hidden on certain devices. Yeah, this happens more than you'd think. Make sure it's not set to display none and that it's visible on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Okay, another common issue is size. If your image or its container has zero height or width, it won't show at all. So just set the width to 100%, height to auto, and make sure the parent div has some space. If you're using background images, make sure they're applied correctly in the Style panel. Also check if the section has height and set the background size to cover so it actually appears. And yeah, don't forget to publish your site. Sometimes images show in the designer but not on the live site until you publish. If your images are inside a CMS collection, make sure the field is properly connected and not empty. And double check that each item actually has an image uploaded. So yeah, that's basically it. Check the source, re-upload if needed, fix sizing, and make sure everything is visible. Once you go through these steps, your images should be showing perfectly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.